Morning to all of you. Hope you all are fine and safe at home. Today we are going to start our next chapter of this unit test, second unit test, chapter number 19, Getting Ready for Adventures. This chapter is written by Miguel de Cervantes. 1547 to 1616 was born in a small town in Spain. His adventures as a sailor become the basis for many of his stories. He has written a number of stories belong to knight, and his second part of Don Quixote was published in 1615. How to spell this word? Quixote. Okay? So, this is an extract from Miguel de Cervantes' great novel about Don Quixote, the eccentric gentleman who fascinated himself as a knight. The person who is writing, he has written a number of knight stories. He believed that he became a knight and he was a little bit uncommon, not common with the people. He loved reading stories about knights, cavalry, princes, it means bravery, princes, magicians, enchanted castles, etc. He believes that he was one of the fiction hero of knight stories. Many years ago, there lived in Spain a very old-fashioned gentleman who was more than 15 years of age and quite odd and slender. In the first passage, it explains that how it looks was, his face was thin, his nose was long, and his hair was turning grey. He had many odd ways and did so many strange things. He even called as Mr. Quixana. In the halfway of his old-fashioned house, a short rusty sword always hanging. Who is knight? First of all, knight, a person who fight in battles with bravery, and this is called sword. Okay, who he hold every time with him. He even having a weapons who related to a great grandfather. Mr. Quixote spent almost his time in reading stories of knights and their daring deed on battlefields. One day he said to himself, "Why should I always be a plain farmer and sit here at home? Why may I not become famous knight?" He said, "Why I become a farmer? Why should I not become a knight? I will mount my noble horse and ride out into the world to seek adventures." Now he said that I'm going to make my horse very noble so that I can see world's adventures. The first thing he did was to clean up an armor that had belonged to his grandfather. It is the meaning of armor, that a metal covering earlier worn to protect the body. Okay, here we wear on the body which covers in the battles, which was belonged to the grandfather. He had been for ages laying forget in a corner. He polished it with a great care and cut some pieces of pasteboard to supply the missing part. He painted them to look like steel. He just make a color like a steel. There was an old brass helmet too, and the straps found some green ribbons. But Mr. Quixote patched it up and found some green ribbons which served instead of straps. He held it up and felt very proud to think that his head would be adorned with so rare a piece of workmanship. Here we are talking about this hat with the green ribbons. Okay, it was not perfectly, but he made it perfect. He needed a horse, for every knight must have a noble horse. He thought the poor old creature in the barn was just the stuff for a warehouse. He said that I have already a horse which is very noble. He will carry me the most gallantly. He said he will help me to become a knight. Now I shall call myself Don Quixote, he cried. He started to say Don Quixote to itself. And since my home is in the district of La Mancha, where he want to become a Don Quixote, Don Quixote de la Mancha. What the name is the nobler than that? He said that what will be the most nobler with that. So one morning Don Quixote put on his armor and old helmet. He took down the short sword and belted it to his side. He swung on the leather shield upon his shoulder, went to the barn and saddled his horse. Then he mounted the road silently through the sleeping village and the quiet fields. I trust that I shall meet with someone worthy adventure, he said to himself. Now he said that I am going to become a knight and I am going to definitely meet some adventure which is going to happen with me. But he soon realized he was not a knight, and very hurry he got that he is not a natural knight, for no one had conferred that honor upon him, that the no one given him the honor. Must he return home? Now he should have to return home. No, that I shall never do, he cried. He said that this is not my wish, I am not going to do. I will ride onward, and the first worthy man that I meet shall make me knight. And the now which man I am going to meet, that is a knight. So he resumed his journey, again started. The horse passed, but neither man nor beast. Neither man nor beast matlab neither Quixote nor his horse took note of time or distance. The horse in quest of sweeter grass, cried his master. So to the summit of the gentle hill. Now, like after visiting for a after the long hard journey, he feels like hungry. There, in the valley below him, Don Quixote saw a little inn by the roadside. Now, what the Don Quixote saw? A little inn. Here, did I not say that we should have an adventure? He cried. He said that still now we didn't see any kind of adventure. He gathered up the reins and charged down the hill, imagining that inn was a great castle with 4 towers and a deep moat and a drawbridge. You can see he is feeling like that this inn is looking like a castle who is having a 4 towers. It is in between the river outside flowing through it. With the greatest joy in the world, he rode onward to the door of inn. He started moving there. The innkeeper saw Don Quixote riding up, and he went out to the welcome. He just went for the welcome, and he said he started laughing. He was dying to laugh that at the wall-like appearance of his visitor, but he kept as a sober face as possible. He said that I make my face as a sober, but the person looked like war is going somewhere. Sir Knight, he said, will you honor me alighting from your horse? He said that, will you be getting down from horse? You will honor me? Will you honor me? I have no bed to offer you. He said that I have no bed, but you shall have every other accommodation that you may ask. He said that I'll manage for you that accommodation. Don Quixote still supposed that the inn was a castle. He feel like that it was a castle, and that the innkeeper must be governor, and that innkeeper which will be that he will be a governor. So he answered in Pompey's tone, in a fleshy grand way, sinner. Spanish form Mr. Sinner Castellano. Mr. Castellano, yes sir, Castellano. Anything is enough for me. Anything is that is okay for me. No bed is so sweet to me as the field of battle. He said that none of the bed is as good for me like if I am going to build field of battle. You speak